All right, so here's our LS 454 cubic inch hot rod turnkey crate engine that we offer. This thing makes 700 horsepower. It's got a pretty nasty cam in it. It has an amazing sounding idle. This engine is built with nothing but quality parts. So we're starting off with a Dart cast iron SHP block, Callies Compstar forged crank and rods, some Holley Motorsports forged piston, all BTR Valvetrain. Features our Golen Engine LS 5-axis CNC ported heads that we actually port here in-house. So that head flows a ton of air and is one of the reasons that this thing can make such good power and still be street friendly. From there, these engines are turnkey package. So we are setting them up with the proper oil pan to fit your, hot rod with all the front accessory drives. We're using Wegner for the front accessory drives. This is all billet, really beautiful accessory drive. This is the black with the diamond cut, which is my favorite. They do sell it in a polished. There's some different colors, red, blue, anodizing, so we can customize that, to match what you'd like. Intake manifolds, there's a handful of different intakes available. This is the fast LSXR 102 with the 102 millimeter Nick Williams throttle body on it, which is a drive-by-wire. From there, the system comes with a Holley Terminator X-Max EFI that we actually fully tune in-house. Comes with all Delphi, coils, wires. I mean, it's just ready to run. We actually dyno test these engines, so we'll run them for a few hours. We'll do a full break-in, and then we'll tune that Holley EFI to the point where it's ready to make all the power. We'll do full sweep testing. We'll measure for horsepower and torque. We'll do a short video for you, so that way you'll be able to see your actual engine run, and you'll get dyno graphs with your name on it. And if you are local, you're always welcome to come down and see it run in person, take it home the same day. From there, yeah, this engine is sold outright. There's no core charge, there's no sales tax, comes with full tech support, and also comes with a 1-year warranty. Again, I can't stress enough, if you have something custom, that you're looking, intakes, valve covers, whatever, just let us know. We'd be happy, to help you with any of those requests and make this, what you want, because this might not be exactly what you want. You might have a different vision and we can help you with that vision. So yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a ring or shoot us an email and we'll be here.